Carson, thank you so much. 6:02 right now. And we begin this half hour with some news a lot of people are seeing as a light at the end of the COVID tunnel. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is cutting quarantine times for people with COVID or who have been exposed to it. Just dropped that isolation time from 10 days down to just 5. Health leaders say people are most likely to spread COVID either 2 days before they come down with symptoms or 3 days after they get them. But while the quarantine times are shrinking, the new number of COVID infections right now is rising, and people across North Alabama say they are having a hard time finding those at-home COVID tests. So right now we want to check in live with WAAY 31's Luke Hydash. He's at a local pharmacy to explain when we might see more of those tests available. Hey, Luke.
Chris, good morning. Hey, first things first, take a look at this sign. This is at Star Pharmacy in 5 Points. Now offering the flu testing, strep testing as well, but COVID testing, well, there's no signs about that. And that's because Star Market, like many places here in North Alabama, don't have any. The demand is so high. Places like this been sold out since last week, Christmas Eve, even before the holiday, and that demand for testing is expected to stick around. Mom and pop shops like Star Market here, not the only ones struggling to keep up with this demand. The big chains too, things like CVS, all across North Alabama, wiped clean as well for those at-home tests, waiting days for new shipments to arrive. And health leaders all across the area, they're blaming the holidays for this sudden surge in testing.
A lot of people are traveling and either going back home or starting their vacation. They have to be tested before they can go. And so there's just a real big demand right now. It's doubled over last week, which was a doubling over a couple of weeks before. So, you know, everybody's gotten together with family at Christmas. There's been a lot of exposures.
Dr. Werdehoff, we just heard from there, he says people are getting whatever they can get their hands on when it comes to testing, whether it be PCR or rapid test or those highly in-demand at-home ones that you do up the nose yourself. Now, health experts all across the area, they're saying the same thing. We've gotten through Christmas, but with New Year's right around the corner, this demand for testing isn't expected to go anywhere anytime soon. Reporting live in 5 Points this morning, Luke Hydash, WAAY 31 News.